Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be Intel i9 build and I'm using a white case cabinet in this build. We tried to find a motherboard which should be white in color, but there was not much option available in India. A white motherboard at that too with good specification and within the budget. So let me take you through all the component and pricing, which all component I'm going to use for this build. So let's begin with the processor. The processor is i9 10th generation. This is 10 core 20 thread. Customer has specially demanded for i9, so we are getting this one for him. This is available for 47,000 rupees. For the motherboard, we are going with Gigabyte Z490 Aorus Elite AC. The same motherboard has been used on our previous build with 3080. Yes, if in case you are a regular follower of our channel, you may know that we have recently built a similar model motherboard PC along with i7 10th generation and 3080, the MSI Gaming X Trio. That was a wonderful build. So yeah, the motherboard, we have this one for 23,000 rupees. And then for the RAM we have got G-Skill Ripjaws. This is 3600 megahertz 16 into 2, that's 32 gigs of memory. The price for the RAM is 15,200 rupees for 3600 megahertz 16 into 2 32 GB. For the SSD, we have got Samsung 970 EVO 1TB. This is available for 12,000 rupees, but I would recommend you to go with XPG S11 Pro or S5. That is a better option, comes with heatsink. And of course Samsung is also great, but according to the price to performance ratio, the XPG does the work pretty well, but I really rely on Samsung. So both are good in a nutshell, but if in case you talk about price to performance ratio, the XPG does it better. For more storage, we have got WD 1TB Blue. This is 7200 RPM and available for 3,200 rupees only. And for the case, you might be wondering which case is that. This is Entech NX800 white color. There is also a black version. The black version comes with 3 pre-installed fan. However, the white version comes with 5 pre-installed fan. 200mm 2 fans in the front, 140mm in the rear, and on the top it's 140mm 2 fans. All are ARGB fans and looks great. So yeah, this is the cabinet we're gonna use. 7,400 is the price. What's next? The cooler. We're going with a deep cool cooler. This is Castle 360EX RGB. This is a great cooler for just 11,300 rupees. Yes, my friend, this is just for 11,300 rupees, and this is 360mm liquid cooler we're gonna use in this build. So this is what we're gonna use for the cooler. For GPU, we have MSI Gaming X 3060 12GB. Right now the prices of GPU are a bit higher. If in case you're watching this video in future and if you found the 3070 to be cheaper, then consider 3070 instead of this option. Right now budget was 50,000 around for the GPU, so we have allocated 3060 12GB, and this is MSI Gaming X. So yeah, this is the GPU which we're gonna use. For the power supply, we are going with a 850 watt deep cool. This is gold, fully modular, also comes with 10-year warranty. It's a great power supply. 750 gold is also fine, but customer decided to choose for 851 because he might upgrade to 3070 or 3080 in future. So yeah, so this is all about the component which we're gonna use in this PC. And now let's just go ahead and begin the PC build. The total price also includes the monitor. We have already shipped the monitor to the customer, so we have not kept it here. It's already with the customer, so which is LG25UM58. that is an ultra wide monitor. That is around 12,999 rupees. So including the monitor, the total price is 1,91,000 rupees. So yeah, so this is all about the components. All the prices are today's price, okay, the one I'm shooting this video. So to check the latest price, I would recommend you to go our website links, which is given in the description of this video. And if in case you want to consider Amazon links, then Amazon links are also given there. So do check the link in the description because today's price is mentioned in this video. I see a lot of comments where people comment about the pricing after 6 months, 7 months. Hey, this is the pricing you have mentioned in the video. Try to understand, this is today's price. In future the price may go up, may go down. So yeah, let's just go ahead and begin the PC build.
Never really know what's going on. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high.
Alright, we're done with the PC build, and I have just unplugged the GPU, so it is ready to ship. So yeah, GPU ye raha. This is the i9 box. It looks great. The performance of the PC is great, but one thing I would like to tell you that NX 800 really has a problem installing 360mm radiator. If in case you want to install it, you have to do it. You have to put the fans in the front, and then you have to remove the 200mm fans, which looks really bad. So what you can do, you can either stick with 200mm fan in the front and put the cooler here, or you can use 3 fans which comes with the cooler, and you can replace with the 200mm fan. So this is how you can put that. This is a quite clean build. I tried to make it. Yeah, and it's looking great. I mean, the black and white combination is really looking great. I was planning to look for a white motherboard, and then found that black motherboard also suits really well. The RAMs are not RGB due to the budget issue, but still even the non-RGB RAM red in color, it looks great. The total price including the monitor is 1,91,000 rupees. I have shared all the Amazon and our website links. Do follow them to check the latest price. If in case you have any questions, you can visit techmartunbox.com. You can chat with our executive between 10 AM to 7 PM, or the contact numbers are given on the contact us page. You can ask for the PC or PC components. So yeah, that's about the video. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and do subscribe please. Bye bye, take care.